anybody that's online with us today to make sure you are doing this crucial point that's so important, and it is creating an email list for your Etsy shop. So welcome back to the video, my friends. If you are new here, my name is Jade, and on this channel I do everything from how-to videos and step-by-step guides, teach you exactly how to create and sell your own digital products online. So if you like content like this, consider subscribing to my channel. And at any time in today's video you're getting value, make sure you guys hit that like button and hit that notification bell, because that helps the channel out a lot. Now let's jump to the video. Here's the problem that a lot of people are facing right now. A lot of people are creating a shop, but they are losing the traffic that they're getting because they rely solely on the platform, and they didn't get the people off the platform, off of Etsy, into their own email list. And so even if you're selling thousands of dollars online with Etsy and you do not have an email list, let me tell you something, you are falling up short, because at any time the algorithm can change, more competitors can come in, and you can lose that traffic because you only allowed that traffic to come through one source. And again, even if you're getting traffic from Etsy, you don't own that traffic. You do not own it. Etsy owns that traffic. And so you have to find a way to get them off of the platform so that you can communicate to them whenever you want to in a free way. So the best way to do that is make sure you are growing an email list that is off of Etsy, so that whenever you try to bridge that gap between the people who are buying on Etsy and how you're able to build your email list up. Now, this is very simple to do, but I really believe you have to do this first. When you start your shop, you want to make sure that you have the tagline to, get on my email list through a coupon or some type of addition that is beyond the platform, beyond your shop. That means that if somebody wants that 30% discount, then they would have to get on your shop or your email list to be able to get that. So there's a lot of different ways you can do that. One of the main ways I do that is by using MailChimp, and I get people to subscribe to my email list by creating a landing page that provides an offer, and then they can be able to get the offer once I capture the email. But again, you want to make sure that you're building an audience off platform, because the overall goal, hopefully you have, is to get off of Etsy completely and build your own shop. And so, and when you have your own shop, you have more free reigns of creating and selling, and you don't have to worry about competition. You don't have to worry about SEO because you have created your own shop. So, you want to have the end in mind. You want to begin with the end in mind. And what I mean by that is making sure you are creating a shop that is sustainable off of Etsy platform. And the best way to do that is to make sure you are creating an email list that is giving people an offer that's valuable to them. So where a lot of people get stuck is that they don't create an offer that's valuable. I want to encourage you to go beyond just a coupon sale, but think about an additional product they can get also. So a lot of people are pushing sales. So what can differentiate your email list, right? Because everybody can put a 30% sale on it, but what can differentiate your email list is that not only do you have 30% sale, but you also get a free design. You also get a free, if you're selling digital products, you can actually add a free digital product that's not on platform that they can get. And so that entices them a little bit more because it's more valuable, right? They get a coupon from you, but also they get a new design. And this can increase your rate of how many people get on your email list. Because again, once you get on Etsy, anybody can get a coupon, right? You can do coupons right now without even having an email list. But you want to be able to scale that significantly faster by giving them something that's just different. And differentiation is important because you have to stand out in some way. So three main areas you can put your email list to capture emails is, first of all, in your description page. It's a great way to leave a link, which is the main way you leave a link actually, to get people on the landing page and then get them back to Etsy to complete their sale. Number two, you can put it in your border. So when you have your Etsy shop and you have your border up top, you can talk about, hey, you want a free design, you want a 30% discount code, jump on the email list in the description. So tell them where it is. Just don't put jump on my email list. Tell them the value. You get the 30% discount and you also get a free design. And you can get this by clicking the link below. And you can also put this in your product page. And so again, the product page, you want to find multiple ways to get eyes on your link to your email list. You want to get multiple eyes on your email list so that you can capture them as quickly as possible so you can start scaling. And I would encourage anybody, if you are starting your Etsy shop, do this first, right? Do what's necessary first, because when you do that and for some reason the algorithm changed, or maybe there's more competition in a space that wasn't as competitive, you're not worried about that. That's not going to rock your boat, because you spent time doing the hard work by getting the email list up. And by getting people on your email list, you're not relying on an Etsy platform, because you have created your own source of traffic, which is the most reliable source of traffic, which is your own email list. And so I want to encourage you guys, as you're building up your email list and you're trying to get more sales online, think about creating an audience off of the platform, whatever place you might be selling. Even if you have an Instagram page, the same thing is still consistent, right? Things can change on that platform, but you want to be consistent with the amount of sales you get monthly. And the best way to do that is to create an off-platform audience. And the best way to do that is in your email. So if you guys want to learn how to set that up, I want you guys to check out my next video. I teach you how to create your own account with MailChimp. I teach you how to create a landing page and how to create an offer and produce a link that people can click and start getting on your email list. So if you want to check that video out, make sure you check out my link down below. So as always, my friends, if you like content like this, consider subscribing to my channel. And at any time you got value in today's video, go ahead and hit that like button, because that helps this channel out a lot. But as always, my friends, I will see you in the next video.